Exploring Fetch API, Mastering HTTP Requests in JavaScript. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on mastering HTTP requests in JavaScript using the Fetch API. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to fetch data from servers is essential. Let's dive in. The Fetch API provides a modern interface for fetching resources asynchronously across the network. It's easy to use and more powerful than the traditional XML HTTP request. Making GET requests. With Fetch, making GET requests is straightforward. Let's fetch some data from a mock API and handle the response. Making POST requests. Fetch also allows us to make POST requests to send data to a server. Error handling. Error handling is crucial when working with HTTP requests. Fetch makes it easy to handle errors gracefully. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making HTTP requests in JavaScript using the Fetch API. Experiment with different endpoints and methods to unleash the full potential of Fetch in your projects. Thanks for watching.